Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can book Duolingo English test online. So let's get started. To do this, you're going to head over to the browser. Instead of application, go to the search bar and type in englishtest.duolingo.com, and then you'll be redirected to the interface of Duolingo English test. So over here, you can either practice the test or learn more about the test. And you're going to click on purchase a test in order to book the Duolingo test. So we have two test quantities. If you want to buy two tests at the same time, you'll be able to see a deal of $59 each. Or if you only want to purchase one test, then you'll have to pay $70 each. Simply click on continue and check out, and they're going to give you the time and date of the test. So if you wish to view the format of the test, you can see that setup and ID verification will take 5 minutes, and then the scored assessment will be of 45 minutes, and then the last 10 minutes will be for writing and speaking samples. So that's basically how you can book Duolingo English test online. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.